welcome back. Hope you have a nice day, and if not, try to make an effort to make it great. Today we will talk about screen recording software in Windows 11 or in PCs and even version of Windows. So my friend, most popular software that is used for screen recording, my friend. And you already know, my friend, you already know, and that is none other than OBS Studio. Very simple. So we will talk about it in deep. So without any further ado, let's get started. This video is sponsored by AnyViewer, remote desktop software for Windows. So my friend, it is a convenient for you to remote desktop of your computer. So this is a completely free product. It can not only quickly establish a stable connection with another or more computers, but also considerately meet your automatic update, language selection, and other requirements. So most importantly, AnyViewer is secured by Elliptic Curve Cryptography encryptions, so protecting your data from leakage. My friend, you can go to description and go to link and you can download those. I believe that there will be many users who are very curious about AnyViewer as remote work has been a hit these days. My friend, you can go there, link and go to their website and you can download for any of the operating system you are using. For example, you are using Windows, you can download from here. Very simple, it is only 39.7 MB. You can go for iOS, Android as well. So you can go to Play Store as well. And my friend, you can read there. It is my friend unattended. What are the advantages of AnyViewer? So my friend, you can unattended remote access. You can use AnyViewer to access your unattended office computer from home or in a trip by inputting security code. And not just that, my friend, you can also transfer files to one or multiple remote PCs at speed up to 10 MB per second and vice versa local PC. And you can go to their solution. You can read their blogs, my friend, remote desktop access port and so on else. You can go to partnerships, companies and so on. Yes, you can go there and you can read also their blogs, my friend. What is the fastest way to test file transfer remotely? So you can read their blogs, my friend, as well. The fastest way to transfer files, my friend, remotely is none other than AnyViewer. The fastest way to transfer large file remotely is used the remote transfer software, which allows you to transfer a large number of files at once. Now, my friend, how to set up an unattended remote access? My friend gonna think that how remote unattended access, you can go there plugs and you can read there while being unattended remote access. So my friend, unattended remote access could provide great efficiency for your work and life. Why are you waiting, my friend? Simply go to the links on the description and download AnyViewer remote desktop software for Windows. Go ahead and check the link in the description and download that. Let's jump back into the video. So how to download OBS Studio? So very simple. Let's jump into the Google Chrome browser. Search your OBS Studio at the enter. And my friend, I want to tell you it is 110% free. Simply click on first website here. View OBS Streamline page. Yes, open broadcast software interface. And my friend, I want to tell you one more interesting thing. My friend, OBS Studio is 110% free. Actually, yes, I am true, my friend. I'm asking you. That is true. So here you can see it is also available in 3 different operating system: Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. So you have to do which operating system you are using. You can click on that. I'm using Windows. Click on Windows, and from it will start downloading. Here you can see, my friend, that is starting because I have already downloaded it. So my friend, I have already downloaded it. So I will not download it again and again. That's all. And my friend, now let's jump into the OBS. How to look it. When you first time download it and open, it will show an interface. It will ask you some requirements. For example, how bitrate you want to shoot, how resolution of screen, and so on. You can adjustment customize according your. Now, I want to tell you some common feature of that. Here you can record, display capture, screen, application, audio capture, audio input, audio output capture, browser, color sequence, display capture, game, image, and you can see here the list and so on. So the best thing that I like it, my friend, it is in high quality and it gives us high quality. You can also go to file settings and here you can also customize in your way and you want as well. So you can go to output. Here you can set bit rate, and you can go to video, and from here you can also set. For now, these are disabled, my friend, because I am now currently recording my screen. That's why it is disabled. But my friend, you can also customize canvas resolution, output scale, and downscale filter, and so on. Now, and one thing more interesting, last and but not the least, you can go to, my friend, your audio mic that you are using, audio device, and you can click on that three dots. You can go to filters, and you can apply filters from here, plus icon. As you can see, I have already applied two filters, but you can go to plus icon. From here you can apply any filter you want, for example, compressor, expander, gain, and so on. So, and you can start recording from here, and also can stop here, and you can post recording from here. And you can see here post recording icon, and you can also streaming with that. And these are many other things you can explore, but these are some common things. So here you can add display capture, anything else that you want. For example, I am recording now my screen. I have added my display capture. You can see here. From here, plus icon, click on plus icon, and you can add anything else. So hope this helps you. And if it did, don't forget to like and subscribe, and not just to subscribe. Make sure to ring the bell icon that you, my friend, don't miss out any other feature, tips, tricks, or tutorial. In the next one, till then, stay tuned and make sure that you keep creating.